Hey guys, happy Monday, happy May. Today was an interesting day. I had a red day today, not as big as it could have been. So I'm down to 971. I was up above $1,000 on my profit today. Only down $67.80. Could have been a lot worse. I'll get into what I mean by that. So just looking at my three trades that I took today, you can see here my first trade was I was going for an entrance on a double break of the opening range. All that means is that when price breaks above either side of the opening range, I'm looking for a trade reversal to break the other side with the VWAP alignment. So when price broke this daily VWAP here, I entered at this candle close, targeting this opening range low, and immediately just dipped and stopped me out. Statistically, this trade has been paying very well the past few weeks, but of course, the one time I feel like I enter it goes against me. That's how trading works. You know, you feel like the market can be against you, and it's not, but it can feel that way. So what I did is I was waiting patiently for another entry. Price broke above the yesterday VWAP up here. It's too high for me to enter, so I was waiting for a pullback, and price did pull back, and I entered on this bounce right here on the daily. And price started to break the daily and the overnight, and I was starting to wonder what's going on. Like, why is price dipping? Looking at these strong three candles over here, so it definitely looks suspicious. So I checked Financial Juice, and I saw that some news came in at 9:56 a.m. Some strong news there. You can see that, and so that kind of accounted for the strong push here at 9:56. You can see that's when it started pushing down, and so it got me thinking, like, how much lower can this go? So I decided to wait. If price can break below the opening range high, it's now broken the daily, the overnight opening range high, double break might be back in play. So I waited for the double break there, and rather than closing my position, I just hit a reversal. And so when I hit that reversal, that was another loss. That was technically closed. So I was down 293, but I was just waiting. I figured, this red news gave us some juice, probably go for the opening range low. And so this strong candle finally pushed me below opening range low. I trailed my stop right above here, kind of waited some more. Price pushed down even further, and once it got down to like around here, I saw that was enough juice for me. I trailed, I closed, and I was able to reduce my gap in my daily loss from $300 to only $67 for the day. So that was my trade. I'm happy with it. I can kind of see that as price is consolidating around this area here, I got out at a good spot. Is this going to go lower today? Who knows? Maybe it's going to jump higher. Thanks for tuning in.